In this video, we're going to take a look at how to make Instagram highlight covers. So if you're on your profile and you see the section that says story highlights and those circles, let's say for example we had a video that was linked on our story, but we wanted a custom cover for that that's completely different. This is how you can do this. So before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I create awesome tutorials every day for you to enjoy. So the first thing we're going to do, click on the camera icon, and then we're going to select the videos. So this one here, and then you click your story, and then you do the same for any other videos. You just click your story, then that will upload. So for the next step, all I'm going to do, I'm just going to go back one. Yeah, so the next step, all I'm going to do is upload my image. So I've got a picture, I've got a video of sweets, and I've got a video of burgers. So I'm just going to upload the burger cover. Let's just type burgers. Oh, spelling mistake. Okay, we'll show that. And then we're just going to do it again, and we're going to do this one for sweets. So we'll choose this one. Just put a caption. Excellent. So we've uploaded our two videos. We've uploaded our two images. So the next thing we have to do, if we go back to our profile, and we click on New, which is the middle of the screen, so we can see the videos that we have. So I'm going to select the sweets one first, and then click Next at the top right hand corner. And then you have the option to edit the cover. So I'm going to click Edit Cover. And then just to the left on the bottom, we can select an image. And yeah. So you can choose a different one. I might choose a different one actually. I'll choose this. Click Next. Click Done. And I'm just going to put the title or the highlights of called Sweets. And then click Done. So that's one done. And I'm going to click New again. I'm going to select the burger video. Click Next. I'm going to click Edit Cover. I'm going to click the bottom left hand corner, which is the image, and I'm just going to select the burger image here. Click Next. Click Done. And I'm just going to title this Burgers. And I'm going to click Done in the top right hand corner. Okay, so now we have our Instagram highlight covers. So if I click the sweets highlight, it plays my sweet video. How awesome does that look? And if I click the burgers one, it shows the burgers and fast food one. So that's how you do Instagram highlight covers. Please subscribe. See you in the next video.